Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Odyssey key fob battery. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. First, ensure you have your key fob and a small flathead screwdriver. You will also need one new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, which is commonly available at most stores. Having these essential items ready will make the replacement smooth and quick. The first step is to access the emergency key. On the back of your key fob, you'll find a small release button. Slide this button in the direction of the arrow, and the metal emergency key will slide out. Gently pull it completely free from the fob. This key is essential for opening the fob and can also be used to manually unlock your vehicle if needed. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually at the bottom or side. Insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Once open, carefully remove the old, flat, circular battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them together until they snap securely. Next, slide the metal emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a click, indicating it's locked in. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.